Alright, what's up, guys? In this video, I want to show you how you can get rid of this problem, right? Let's say you got a phone and then it keeps on getting this message popping up. So, the only way you can, let me say, the easier way you can fix it is to actually, like, you need to allocate yourself to the settings, right? So, I'm gonna use a little bit of speed to get through this. What you need to do is go to the settings, right? Okay, now I'm in the settings, and then now you need to scroll down until you find what it says like app manager or something, right? Alright, here it says manage applications, click on it, and then you need to go to where it says disabled. So this is the file, right? So you need to just basically enable it so that you can get rid of this problem. So I'm gonna click on this, and there's the enable sign. I'm gonna click on it, and then wait, it's taking a little bit of now it's done. Once you enable it, everything is gonna go back to normal, and that's actually much of it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like the content. Make sure to like and subscribe for future videos and stuff.